Are you looking for a cool waterfront spot to hang out in Tampa? Look no further. Formerly called the Channelside district, this area has undergone some serious renovations and opened back up as Sparkman Wharf in November of 2019. Sparkman Wharf is one of the first completed installments to the up-and-coming Water Street district near downtown Tampa and the Amalie Arena. The district itself covers about 3.5 acres and features a mix of restaurants, bars, shops, and entertainment options. The wharf itself offers stunning waterfront views. Across the Garrison Channel is also Harbor Island, a high-end neighborhood conveniently located close to everything Tampa has to offer. Sparkman Wharf was developed by strategic property partners, designed to be a destination for locals and tourists alike, with a focus on community and sustainability. One of the main attractions of Sparkman Wharf is its food and beverage offerings. The district is home to a number of restaurants and bars, including the Lighthouse Beer Garden, which features a rotating selection of craft beers, and the Splitsville Southern Plus Social, which offers bowling and eclectic dining. Oh, don't forget, many of these offerings are located in cool little recycled shipping containers, painted with artwork from a local artist team, Pep Rally Inc. In addition to its dining options, Sparkman Wharf also features a number of outdoor spaces for recreation and entertainment. The lawn at Sparkman Wharf is a popular spot for outdoor activities and events, including sports watch parties and more. Not only are there food and beverage offerings at Sparkman Wharf, but shopping, fitness, and a luxury office and co-working space, with offices that overlook the water and the port. Overall, Sparkman Wharf is a unique and vibrant destination in Tampa that offers a mix of food, drink, and entertainment options in a beautiful waterfront setting. For more great information on Tampa and the suburbs, make sure to subscribe to my channel and check out this playlist on local businesses in the area.